Yo, what's up guys? Cold Playboy here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, we're actually going to be looking at the Fortnite crew pass. So it's the new month, so we're getting our new cycle of items. And if you've been subscribed up to this point, this is what you have coming in for your monthly subscription. So you have the operator skin here, the deli skin, and then the Polis, as well as the Kyron, and then the Lady of Cranes. And then for our new one, you don't want to miss this. The Tashio is actually our Fortnite crew pass for this season, or for this month. You have the back bling, which I think is super dope, and then the Lego edit style with the pickaxe, the greenest onion. So, do I think it's worth it? Yes, because I'm on the game regularly. So if you play the game regularly, then yes, it's definitely worth it. If you are a parent, I should suggest that you get it for your child, just so that they have something to look forward to every month. It's just a little something for them, as long as they are obviously good. And then if you just play the game regular, then yeah, I definitely think it's worth it. But that's just some of the stuff that you get. You also get V-Bucks, and then if you play Rocket League, you get the pass for that. So I definitely think it is worth it. But if you play the game and if you're actually on the game regularly, otherwise, I don't really think it's something you want to go for. But that's the look at this month's update. I mean, if you're subscribing this month, you won't get any of these other things. You'll just get the Toshio, but if you subscribed previously, then you'll get these as well. Anyways, let me know if you think it's worth the money down below. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Watch another video if you're bored, and have a very, very happy new year, guys. Thanks for all the love and support lately. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.